How's it going, everybody? Welcome back, and today we're going to be quickly talking about 5 reasons why you should use a VPN for gaming. Alright, so before we begin, by the way, if you guys are interested in any of the VPNs mentioned today, you'll find links to pricing and discounts as well as full reviews if you'd like to learn more about them. Everything will be linked in the description down below. Okay, so the first reason why a VPN is actually a pretty good idea for gaming is the fact that a VPN creates a secure connection between your PC or some other device and the internet. Now, this connection is reserved for you, which means no one else can leech on your bandwidth, and ISPs can't throttle your connection because they don't know what you're doing. And in some cases, you can even decrease your ping by connecting to the VPN server that is closest to your gaming server. So let's say you're living in Ireland and the closest gaming server to you is in France. Then you can connect to the French VPN server if the closest gaming server to you is in France. That way you'll be eliminating the distance between your VPN server and your gaming server, and you'll be able to potentially decrease your ping, especially if your ISP isn't exactly blessing you with the best of connections. Now, the second reason is to prevent DDoS attacks, because DDoS attacks are very common these days. If you beat someone in a multiplayer game and they find out that you have a Twitch channel, for example, where you stream your gaming, they might decide to bring your channel down by using DDoS. Fortunately, a VPN will mask your IP address, thus preventing such attacks, because attackers will try to target your IP address. So if you're using a protected IP address and they can't know your IP address, they won't really be able to intercept your traffic since you're connected to an encrypted server. The third reason is to prevent swatting. Now, a lot of people watch game streaming, and if you happen to be a streamer, you may potentially become a victim of the so-called swatting. Now, malicious people can discover your location and IP address and report you for domestic terrorism, thus having police storm your house. Now, in the US, this involves the SWAT team, hence the name. Now, VPN will mask your location and IP address, preventing these people from harassing you, especially if you're a streamer. Now, IP blocking is the fourth reason, and as I mentioned before, a gaming VPN masks your IP address. And the main reason this is important is that it prevents IP blocking. This is quite common in most online games because other players can report you for verbal abuse and misconduct. You can get an automated IP ban before the support staff can look into it. People like to report streamers on purpose just to spite them because they have nothing better to do, apparently. So this is one way you can avoid that. Now, the fifth and final reason for the day is that you can actually play from any region, because a lot of players are not available all over the world, despite their creators claiming otherwise. Things like geo-blocking and lack of servers in your region are quite a common inconvenience these days, and a VPN helps you avoid such obstacles because you can connect to a remote server in any region. This will allow you to play your favorite games no matter where you are, and especially if a specific game that you're looking to play is not available in your region. You can also use your VPN for other purposes, such as getting specific discounts that are not available in your location, unblocking specific streaming services or YouTube channels that may not be available to you, securing your device and encrypting your traffic so that you can safely and anonymously download files or torrents or whatever it is that you're trying to download, and of course, in order to prevent bandwidth throttling if your ISP throttles your connection, which is a very common practice amongst ISPs. So, of course, you've got 3 of the best VPNs right here. I've tested over a couple of dozen VPNs and I've narrowed it down to Express, Nord, and Surfshark. They all vary in budgets and features, so pick and choose depending on your own situation and what you're looking for out of these VPNs, and your own budget and preferences, of course. It's all up to you at the end of the day. If you guys are interested, though, in any of these VPNs, you'll find links to pricing discounts in the description down below, as well as full reviews if you'd like to learn more about the privacy policy, speed, streaming and torrenting capabilities, as well as security and features. And of course, they're all covered by a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can test drive these VPNs for 30 days risk-free. Otherwise, you can simply get yourself the refund if you're not satisfied for whatever reason. Besides that, comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.